Is your skin becoming thin like tissue paper? Does it tear or bruise easily after age 60? This happens because your skin's internal repair cells have gone to sleep. Stop wasting money on expensive creams that stay on the surface. You can actually rebuild your skin density from the inside out. I will show you 3 powerful seeds that restart your collagen production. These tiny seeds can thicken your skin in just a few weeks. Watch until the end to learn the exact daily protocol for structural repair. After age 60, your skin undergoes a major biological shift. Doctors call this dermal atrophy. Research from the Journal of Investigative Dermatology shows that our skin loses about 1% of collagen every year. By age 60, this process speeds up rapidly. The main reason is a decline in fibroblast activity. Think of fibroblasts as the tiny engineers of your skin. They build the collagen fibers that keep your skin thick and strong. When these engineers go dormant, your skin becomes translucent. It loses its cushion and starts to look like parchment paper. But you can wake these cells up with the right nutrients. The first essential tool is the flaxseed. Flaxseeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. The British Journal of Nutrition highlights that ALA helps repair the skin's lipid barrier. This barrier prevents moisture from leaking out. More importantly, flax seeds contain high levels of lignans. Lignans act as a natural hormonal support for aging skin. They help keep the skin structure dense and firm. By the way, if you find this information helpful, please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast for more health secrets. Adding just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds daily can start the thickening process. But flax is only the first step in our 3-seed protocol. Beyond seeds, you should also eat colorful fruits like blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your existing collagen. Light resistance exercises also help by improving blood flow to your skin cells. This ensures nutrients reach the dermal layer where they are needed most. The second powerhouse in our protocol is the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seeds are one of nature's best sources of zinc. The National Institutes of Health confirms that zinc is essential for collagen cross-linking. Think of zinc as the glue that holds your skin fibers together. Without enough zinc, your skin stays fragile and breaks easily. Pumpkin seeds also provide vitamin E to fight DNA damage from the sun. Next, we must talk about sesame seeds for restoring elasticity. Sesame seeds contain unique compounds called sesamin and sesamoline. Studies in the Journal of Nutritional Science show these compounds stop the breakdown of elastin. Elastin is what allows your skin to snap back into place. These seeds are also loaded with calcium, which strengthens the basement membrane of your skin. Together, these 3 seeds create a synergistic loop for skin density. To support this, add orange vegetables like carrots and sweet potatoes to your meals. They are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A is a natural internal shield against thinning skin. You can also take a high-quality vitamin C supplement. Vitamin C is the primary catalyst for building new collagen strands. Daily facial massages can also help by draining toxins and boosting oxygen. Simple movements like walking for 20 minutes also improve overall skin health. Better circulation means your seeds and nutrients work much faster. Now your body has the raw materials to start the repair process. Now I will share the exact protocol to see results in 12 weeks. Now, let's talk about how to use these seeds for the best results. You cannot just eat them raw and expect a miracle. For maximum bioavailability, you must grind your flax seeds. Ground seeds are easier for your body to digest and absorb. Lightly toast your sesame and pumpkin seeds to activate their natural oils. The ideal daily protocol is 1 tablespoon of each seed. Mix them into your morning yogurt or a bowl of oatmeal. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests consistency is the key. You must follow this ritual daily for at least 12 weeks. This is the time it takes for new collagen fibers to fully mature. To speed up the process, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Add a squeeze of lemon to your water for a natural vitamin C boost. Avoid excessive sugar, as it causes a process called glycation. Glycation makes your skin fibers brittle and prone to tearing. Try to get 7 hours of deep sleep every night. Your skin does most of its structural repair while you are resting. If you have very dry skin, consider a pure omega-3 supplement. This helps lubricate the skin from deep within the dermal layers. By combining these 3 seeds with a healthy lifestyle, you are taking control. You are moving from fragile, thin skin to a stronger, denser version of yourself. Thank you for watching Wellness Path Podcast. If you enjoyed this science-based approach, please hit the like button. Share this video with a friend who wants to protect their skin health. I will see you in the next video for more natural health secrets. Stay healthy and stay strong.